Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we'll be taking a look at some Kobe Protro 4s. These are known as the Phillies. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Happy, I guess, after Mamba Day, since Mamba Day has passed, but congrats to anybody who's able to pick up one of the 3 Kobe's that released on Mamba Day. Today we're going to be discussing the Kobe Protro 4 that released, and these are known as the Phillies. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this. Really just a beautifully done color combination, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who are huge hardcore Kobe fans, you probably already know that 3 of some of the OG colorways were re-released on Mamba Day. This was one of the 3. This is in the Philly, beautifully well done color scheme, and then we also had the Venice Beaches as well as the Italian camo. But those of course were in the Protro 8 and the Protro 6, but here we have the Protro 4. We have not seen this color scheme since it was originally released back in 2009, so it has been quite some time since we are getting this same variation. And as you can see, the color scheme and why they went with this specific sneaker is drawing inspiration and paying homage to Philadelphia, because that is where Kobe Bryant was born and raised. My family also is from Philadelphia on my dad's side, so this definitely has a little bit more sentimental value to me because my dad and his family were all born and raised in Philadelphia. So really cool to see this brought back out on the Kobe Protro 4 in this beautifully done color scheme. As you can see, we've got that royal blue that covers the entirety of the upper, and then we've got some red and white laces which pop off of that mesh netting and that royal blue finish, and then we've got more leather on the top with Kobe's logo in this nice simple white tone. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. Wrapping around to the side panels, we've got blue, white, and red, and it's got some nice stripes here, and that's actually the fly wire, which is really cool that they've shown that on both the medial and lateral side of the sneaker itself. But you do have the same exact color scheme going on for both swoosh marks, which is outlined in that nice bright pop of deep red and then white in between. And then we've got some really lovely stars in that royal blue tone that wrap around the entirety of the collar. The interior is in this nice pop of red. It's got a nice satin material finish. And then we also have Kobe Bryant's birthday on the interior, 8/23/78. And then we've got some stars on the insole, and the color scheme is white, red, and blue. Then as we work our way to the back here, we've got Kobe's number 24, and then some nice deeper shades of this blue. And it actually is metallic as it hits the light. You can kind of see it has a nice sheen to it. Then when we wrap around and work our way to the bottom, we have this kind of translucent darker blue shade for the upper of that midsole, and on the back we have white. Then it also has a zoom air unit, adding that additional comfort and cushion. And then the bottom is in the red, white, and blue with a little bit of black for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I sized up half a size and I feel like these fit me to a T. Kobe's just tend to run a little bit more snug and more narrow, but I do love the fit of these. It is a bit of a higher cut in comparison to other Kobe Protros, which I don't mind. Actually, I do think for that additional ankle support, you are getting that there. And we do have that usual extra cushioning on the back of the heel here, which is quite comfortable. And because this, again, has that air unit in there, we've got some great cushioning, which really helps when you're going up and down the court in these. And again, just really great stability and mobility as far as lateral movement goes, and really good grip on the bottom of that outsole for good traction. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So as far as styling goes, this again, very patriotic color scheme, very reminiscent of Philly. So definitely wanted to keep it pretty simple and make these more of the standout look. I feel like this would be a great sneaker as well to style for 4th of July. So if you were able to snag a pair, I better see these on your feet for the holiday. But as far as color scheme goes, I just went with an all black look. So some black Jordan sweatpants and a nice quarter zip black sweatshirt.
First to the plate when it's dinner time. First to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. Tim's on cause it's cold in the wintertime. I'm a boss.
All right, so as far as the retail goes, these retailed at $190. They're currently going between $265 to $450. So quite a lot of resale on these, especially for those larger size ranges. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.